Our group presentation is all about communication and its two kinds, verbal and non-verbal communications. What is communication? Communication is a process that involves sending and receiving messages through the verbal and non-verbal methods. Communication is a two-way means of communicating information in the form of thoughts, opinions, and ideas within two or more individuals with the purpose of building an understanding. Verbal communication is a type of communication where we use spoken and written word to get our message and information across to the other person. In other words, whether we use our words to express ourselves, our feelings, and our thoughts, we are verbally communicating.
What is nonverbal communication? Nonverbal communication transfer of information from one person to another without the use of words or spoken language. Nonverbal communication can occur in a variety of ways, including through facial expression, gestures, and body posture or position.
In Manila, there live two brothers named Ian and Jacob. Ian and Jacob grow up with no parents. Their parents died in a car accident. Their injuries were vital, critical that lead them to death. After the memorial of their parents, their grandmother decided to take them.
Sigurado ka na ba dyan, Apo?
Oo, ala.
Pag mahirap pa ng bansa, kung nagkasakit ka, wala mag-aalaga sa'yo.
Oo nga, kuya. Alam ko, kuya, la. Desidido na po ako sa aking desisyon. Para sa inyo naman po itong gagawin ko. Oh, Jacob. Bunso, ba't napatawag ka?
Kuya, nagkasakit po si Lola. Nasa hospital po siya ngayon.
Ha, ano? Nagbibiro ka ba?
Hindi kuya, totoo to.
Kailan pa?
Hapon pa kuya. Madaming bayaran sa hospital.
Sige, Bunso, magpapadala ko ngayong katapusan. Basta alagaan mo lang si Lola.
Opo kuya.
Kuya, nakapasa ako sa boarding exam. Kuya, mag-graduate na ako. Kuya, musta na? Bakit di na kaya kinokontak ni Bunso?
After a few years later, Ian decided to go back to his hometown in Manila.
Bunso, andito na ako, Bunso.
Oh, Ian, nakauwi ka na pala.
Oo. Asan po si Jacob?
Hindi mo ba nabaltaan nangyari sa kanya?
Dio, ano po ba nangyari?
Naku, nasa hospital siya ngayon, nagkasakit.
Ano?
Few months later,
Gusto ka na, Bunso?
Jacob just got home from work and he was greeted by his brother Ian.
Oh, Jacob, kamusta ang trabaho? Alam mo, bilib ako sa'yo. Kahit may disabilities ka, nagagawa mo pa rin magtrabaho. Proud ako sa'yo, Bunso.